If you didn't follow the tutorial and didn't make it, or you didn't know it at all, then this full version is more suitable for you, and the overall length will be a bit long, but I hope you can stick to it and become the first step in your learning. This is our official account, so with pictures and text to watch and review. The effect will be twice the result with half the effort. Then we will start directly. Alright. The screen that opens by default should be the same as mine, which is currently similar. I made some adjustments on the window a little. This is our main view area, and the right one above is the parameter bar, which controls some parameters. The following is a node that we often use, and we will use it more here. Then my personal habit is to divide the screen into 3. Hold down the Alt key and click the middle one. It will leave, and then click again. Then you will see that there is an explanation here that is an area that we often use, and the right side is our parameter bar. We hold down the Tab key and a large tank will fall. We enter Joe and press Enter directly. Then there will be a rectangular area. This can be understood as a group. First of all, it is understood that in C4D, you put a group on many things. Then many of our things have to go and unoperate. Let's press the Tab key again to create one of our balls. This parameter bar will be generated on the right. Then let's start our effect production directly. Let's start with our first part. After we scored first, I changed one of the segmentation patterns here to polygon. You can see that it is a subdivision of the model of a page at this time, and it is relatively regular. Here I give it a little breakdown. 16 subdivisions, retract a little. Okay, right after, I'll give it a mountain node. Mountain is equivalent to a displacement in C4D. We let it show. This is the default top state. There are also some such as a number of density degrees in the positive frame. Then this is a strength or weakness that controls it. Then this is a proportion to control it. The larger it is, the closer you can see its overall amplitude in one direction. You can see. Adjusted in moderation. Just try to make it irregular. Here you can choose one according to your personal preferences. There are some features here. There are something yourself. Then you can adjust a random seed here. I think that's fine. The main thing is to make it look like it's not a positive element. Then, the next step is to do our ripple effect. Use direct links. Connect it in. You can see that it is actually played by us to see if it works. You will find your whole thing. This is displayed based on a rate of our current frame. Then the frame rate of one of our entire animations is to click on this one in the lower left corner of our house. You can change it through this later. We can change it to 20-5. Then we apply it. Then we apply it. The timeline below will be displayed at 1 second and 20-5 frames. Let's play it and take a look. But it is not what we imagined. Then we need to make some adjustments. So how do I recommend you apply this node? You can create a new plane and connect it. Let's give our plane a little breakdown. We'll give it 100. Okay. Click here to hide our world like these references. Okay. We can apply it directly. Then we will find that it already works. Let's click play and take a look. It already exists, right? Let's first familiarize ourselves with some of its approximate parameters. Then this is the application center. If you click on this, it will be displayed directly in the center of our object. If you cancel it, you can see that it is unevenly distributed. So wired is shown. In fact, there are 3 of them. You can see one here. Let's make it 1. Then we give it an increase. You will find that there will be a lot more here. This feature is very powerful. If you do some of those random water ripples. This is very convenient. And let's adjust it to 1 first. Over here. If we want to move a central point of our ripple, we check our user center. Just use the center point. Let's press again. Check our node case. Press and hold the enter key. Press and hold the enter keys. We can move. On the right side it will be displayed in real time. We give it 0. Let's take a look at some of the parameters below. We click play. Let's preview it in real time. Then the first one is the length. Go control it. The more ripples it has. The second one is height. You can see the ripples throughout it. There will be ups and downs. Then the next one is one of its delays. Here, according to the actual situation, it can be felt that it is a sphere of influence. Then this is a speed that adjusts us. Then this is a speed that adjusts us. We can adjust our quantity. Let's go tune in our random seeds. You can see. Then you can apply these parameters by yourself. At the moment we only need to use it. The above ones are a little simpler. We connect our nodes back into our ball. That's according to some test just now. I want to let some of the ball. The edge to produce this. Move our target point to where we want it to be. We hold the enter key. Good. At this time, it has already begun to have an effect. We will adjust it through us. Adjust some parameters. You can move this to take a look. Go identify your one. Location. We hold down yeah. This is when we give our ball some spin. The rotation is used. Transform node. We apply it. You can go directly through the parameter bar on the right. Just some of the things you want. Effect. That can also be used with what we just said. Press and hold the enter key. Just pass. Try to get this coordinate. Make some moves. Let's say install the one before us. Animation effects. Let it pass. It's probably the same effect. Good. We hold down. Tab. Enter our segment. Add some subdivision to our ball. There are many modes of that segmentation. Select blue. This pattern. You can also add a smooth. Go and screen one of our masks. That's where it is. Here we will use the default one. You can take a look. Let's play it again. Then the whole ball became. From here. Shh. Good. That's it for our ball ripple animation. We give it 1. Empty notes. For example, call it out any good. Then let's do our second effect. It's ours. Example.